This is a collection of passages on death, from the writings of Alice A. Bailey and the Tibetan master Jwol Kul. The quotations are interwoven with numerous reports of related near-death experiences. In these events, individuals die in the sense that they believe they died and are often declared dead by the medical profession. But their apparent death is not quite final, and they return to tell of their experience. Just as soon as we know ourselves to be souls, and find that we are capable of focusing our consciousness or sense of awareness in any form or on any plane at will, or in any direction within the form of God, we shall no longer know death.
So literally it felt very physical, but I looked down and I realized I have no body. And there was a point where I was traveling up, and I had the feeling of being everywhere all at once. Everybody's experience I could dive into, and it was as if I was universal consciousness or God consciousness coming in and really living and feeling that person's experience.
Then I saw this big tree in front of me and I started moving towards it. And I realized that I'm flying, and I said, I'm flying. And the voice said, that's normal here. And I get to the tree, and as I get close to it, I become the tree, and I could feel its heart. And I became the leaf, I became the air, I became the birds. Everything that I got near, I became stones. And I realized that everything had life, even though sometimes it looked like it doesn't. It's made of the same things I was made of. And because of that, it owns a sense of spirit. And that's the only thing we own.